Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is determinants. If A is a square matrix of order 3, if A is a square matrix of order 3 such that determinant of HA equal to 64, then find determinant of A. So here it is given A is a square matrix of order 3. So determinant of HA equal to 64. Two conditions is given. One is this one and second one is this one. You have to ask to find determinant of A. For that, first we know that a non-singular matrix of order n, determinant of A equal to that is determinant of HA. Determinant of HA equal to determinant of determinant of A power n minus 1. Here it is what is n? It is a matrix, square matrix of order 3. So n equal to 3. So determinant of HA equal to determinant of A power 3 minus 1, that is 2. What is given? Determinant of HA equal to 64. Therefore determinant of A square equal to 64. How we can write a 64? That is 8 square. Therefore determinant of A equal to plus or minus 8. So the value of determinant of A is plus or minus 8. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.